Okay, so today I tried to attempt to change this water heater. We've had it since we moved in, and it's leaking from the bottom where the flame is at, so you can't repair it. So I'm gonna try to get another one. So this is for future reference only, but if you guys find this helpful, please like and subscribe. But first thing what I did is I turned this the gas valve off. So this one I couldn't turn it off because it was too tight. So what I found out is these nuts back here, right here, you have to loosen them, and then you can turn this. If you don't loosen it, you're not gonna be able to turn this. So I turned that, and I turned this counterclockwise this way, and it came right off. I put some plastic there because I could smell some gas, just to so it doesn't smell, but it's off already. And then I drained the water. This can go into the my sump pump. And after that, but first thing, I had to shut this off, the cold water, shut it off. And then I turn this counterclockwise. With this, of course. Same thing with the hot water. Okay, so that came off, and then this, use a screwdriver. Can't see it, but right there. Just unscrew it with the flathead. Take this off. For the vent, so this can come off loose. So once the water finished draining, I'm gonna try to remove it. So I was able to pull this out. So once this finished draining, I should be able to move it out, and then get in the new one. So I was able to move the old one. So now we just got to go to Home Depot and get the exact same size and see if we could put it together. Okay, so now I'm trying to take this gas line out. So it's counterclockwise again. Okay, so I'm going this way. Trying to take this out. It's harder to do. There we go. Okay, so I got this out. Now I'm trying to take this one out. So counterclockwise. So Little by little. Okay. All right, got that one out. And hopefully it'll fit the new one. Let's see what happened. Okay, so I just came back from Home Depot. I got this Rheem 40 gallon tall water heater. So I bought this yellow tape for the gas. So I put it right there, I put it right there, put it right there, and I connect it back together. And then once I'm gonna tighten it, and then I'm gonna put everything together, and hopefully it will work. Okay, I'm just gonna tighten the gas pipe. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to connect the water. This is cold, this is hot. Get some Teflon tape. Well, come to find out, I can't screw this on here because it doesn't fit because it's too big. So I gotta take this and put it over there. So I got the old one out. I'm gonna clean it out a little bit and put it in there. Well, this is kind of rusty, so I'm just gonna go to Home Depot, go get me a couple new ones. This one's like 26 years old. So I went to Home Depot. I couldn't find the exact one, but then I went to Menard. So this is the closest one right here. The 3/4. This one right here. So let's see what happened. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. Oops. Put this around it. Okay, so I got the Teflon on. And we're gonna redo this one since I forgot to put the gasket in. I'm gonna tighten it back up. Well, here goes nothing. I'm gonna turn the water on, and then I'm gonna turn the gas on, and then check for leak, and then I'm gonna put the vent. So we'll see what happens first. Okay, so to turn the gas back on, I gotta turn this, loosen this up. And then turn it back on. There we go. Now turn this back up. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to turn this on. No, it's off. Pilot. Okay, pilot. How do you turn this on? Okay, I read the instruction. It says to hold this down. It's not doing nothing. Okay, so I'm back, and I finally got this the status light to go on and the flame to go on. It took me a while, but what I did was I read the instruction, put it on off for 5 minutes, and then put it on pilot, and then press this a bunch of times. The first time didn't work, the second time didn't work. I tried it like 3 or 4 times, but it finally worked. So you see the blue light and the flame. So it's working now. So I'm really happy, but I see some water leak right there somewhere. We need to tighten that. And then I'm gonna cut this down so it can fit. Yeah, I can feel the heat right now, so it can fit. So, and then we're good to go. Well, so I got everything going. This is my first time doing it, so I've learned a lot, and I cut this too short, so I just taped it. That's the gap right there. Ah, it's hot. And coming to find out, the reason it's leaking because it got a bad gasket. This thing right here. The cold and the hot too. So I need to learn how to replace that, because This is the new one right here, but you need to solder it, but I don't know how to do that. But so I'm just gonna watch YouTube and see what I can do. But the water heater is working fine. Okay, so I'm gonna test the hot water with the baby thermometer. It's high. So it's hot. Ouch. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the hot water. It's steaming. It's really, really hot. So this works, and this is my first time doing. But if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.